In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bill in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to keep your books accurate and make sure your vendor balances reflect what's actually happening, this quick walkthrough will show you the simplest way to record a bill payment in just a few clicks. First, open QuickBooks Online and look to the top left of your screen. Click on the New button. This opens the menu for the most common tasks. From that menu, choose Pay Bills. This is the dedicated place where QuickBooks lists your unpaid bills, so you can mark them as paid and keep everything in sync. You'll now see a grid of open bills. Review the details you see, like vendor names, due dates, and amounts, so you know exactly what you're clearing. When you're ready, select the bills you will pay or have already paid by checking the box next to each one. You can select just one bill or multiple bills if you're handling a batch. Be sure the amounts look right and that you're choosing only the bills you intend to record today. At the top left of this screen, select the payment account. This tells QuickBooks which account the money is coming from. For example, you might choose your checking account or a credit card account, depending on how the payment was or will be made. Choosing the correct account is important because it affects your bank balance and how the transaction will match up later. Next, set the payment date. Pick the actual date the money left your account or the date you want the payment to be recorded. Matching this date to your bank activity helps keep your reconciliation smooth and your cash flow reporting accurate. Once everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks records the payment and links it to the bill or bills you selected. You're not adding any extra steps here. This simply finalizes the action so your books reflect what's been paid. After you save, the bill will now be tracked as a paid bill in QuickBooks. That means your vendor balance updates, your accounts payable decreases by the amount you just paid, and your reports will reflect the change. If you later review your transactions or vendor activity, you'll see that the bill is no longer open, and that's all there is to it. Click New, select Pay Bills, check the bills you're paying, choose the payment account, set the payment date, and save. Keep this process consistent, and your accounts will stay organized and accurate. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to record bill payments confidently in QuickBooks Online.